Good morning, everybody. It's me, Pickin for Profit, coming to you with another video. Today's video, we are headed to Columbus, Ohio. It's technically Black Friday 2018. Hopefully we can find some really good deals. Today, the market's not really supposed to be open to the public. It's more of a day where the vendors set up. But from past experience setting up there myself, I did most of my sales on this day. So I'm going to try to squeak in there, just act like I'm a vendor and make some deals. So I want to bring you along and let's go. Guys, we finally made it. 2 hours driving. We are here in Columbus. Let's get inside and see if there's any goodies set up. I know today will be kind of slow as far as getting set up. They do it in waves. I think the first wave was at 6:30 a.m. It's 7:30 a.m. And I think they continue to set up until like 10. So there'll be a lot of goodies, and let's go find them. Alright guys, so I'm headed out. I spent about 5.5 hours here, put in almost 9,000 steps, so I covered a lot of ground. If I could go back and do it all over again, I probably would set up and sell. For what I collect and resell, there wasn't a lot out there, which means I would have had a good day selling, but I can't go back, so I'm glad with what I did find, and let's get back home and I'll show you guys what I got.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, made it back. Hope you enjoyed the first half of the video, but let's get into the second half of the video, which is the more important stuff. I'm going to show you what I bought, what I paid for it, and what I expect to sell it for. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for the very first item I purchased, I was actually having some doubts. I wasn't finding too much, but as the day progressed I started finding more. But this was the first item I purchased, and they are gold fill and aluminum glasses, obviously women's glasses, made by Bosch and Lamp. I think that's like Johnson & Johnson or their predecessor or something. But vintage glasses like this, sell really well for me. I paid $5 and I'll get about 25 to 30. The second item I purchased was this antique Daguerreotype. It's in rough condition, but I actually prefer them that way. Not sure if you can see that if it's focusing on him, but it's very rough. Very cool look. It's priced $22, but they were having a Black Friday sale. Everything was half off, so it was $11. I asked if they would take $10. They accepted. If I were going to sell this, I get about $20 to $25. The next item I purchased was this ashtray. You've seen me purchase these in the past. I used to love them a lot, but now I only buy the odd-shaped ones or the odd sizes or some of the older ones. But this one was priced for $15. I asked if they would do $13. We settled on $14. But for $14, I think that's a really good deal. I can probably get about $30 for this because it is an odd size. These next two items I purchased from the same gentleman. One is like a picture pin. It's probably a morning pin of a gentleman. It's nice because it can be changed in the back. I paid $3 for this, and I'm going to put it on eBay for $29.99. And the second item I got from him is another tire ashtray. I know I just said I don't buy them very much, but this one is kind of an older one. It has a great logo in the middle. You can see it's priced at $12. I talked him down to 10, and we agreed on that. So another good buy. I'll get about 25 to 30 for this one. The next three items I purchased all from the same person. This one was originally priced at $11. It's a sterling silver spoon. This is a gold fill football and chain, originally priced $6. And a Zippo lighter, originally priced $6. And this is an older one with a great logo on it. I got all three items for $10. I don't know how we agreed on that, but it worked. This is unfired. The problem with this is it is slim, which is a ladies lighter. Probably only going to get about $20 to $25 for this. Probably $10 or $15 for the football. I'll probably just save this and put it in my scrap bin, to be honest with you. And the sterling silver spoon, I should get about $15 for scrap. The next item I got was the cheapest item I've ever purchased at this flea market. For 50 cents, I got this morning pin. I can't even believe someone would sell something for 50 cents, but I'm happy they did. I plan on getting $14.99 to $20 for this. The next item I purchased were these gold fill glasses. They're in really good shape, and the round ones always bring great money. These might be for a kid or a very small woman or man, but I think they might be kids' glasses. But I paid $3 for these. I'll get about $25 to $29.99. And with that said, I also purchased 3 pairs of gold fill glasses. All those came from the same woman for $5 each. So I got 3 pair for $15, and I'll get $25 to $30 easily on each pair. The next item I purchased are these Mintage Charts. These are banned. You cannot sell these on eBay. Some people sell the empty box, wink wink, with a little special something in the box when they arrive. But I'll probably just sell these locally. And the problem with these is they are missing the little plastic rings, which are just plastic tubing. But for $15, I had to buy these. I've sold these for anywhere from $50 to $75 before. So sell really well. Keep your eye out for these vintage Charts. Another great item I found was this Gooseneck Lamp. I buy these Gooseneck lamps all the time, but what I really liked about this one is it has a clamp on it, so I can put it right on my desk. I paid $10 for this, and I'll get about $25 to $30. So this next item I actually had to pay up a little bit for, more than I usually would have liked. But like I said, it was slim pickings today for me, so I popped on it. They wanted $65. I got them down to $50 for this original Polaroid SX70, which I can usually get about $89 to about $120 for, depending on condition. This condition's actually pretty well. And I also had them toss in one of these flash bars, which I get about $15 to $20 for, and a pack of film. So I paid $50 for everything, and I'm guessing this would average out to be about $150. These next two items I purchased for $10 for the pair. One is a sterling silver perfume bottle, Super cool. I'll get about 25 bucks I'm thinking for this, maybe 20. It's not very old, but it is sterling. The glass is in good condition, so someone will love it. And then I also got this Daguerreotype photo, I don't know, you put a photo on each side, a photo booklet, like a tintype, or one of those Daguerreotypes that I showed you previously. This one's made out of some weird material. I'm not sure what it is. It's almost like a plastic. It's not Bakelite, but it's something older. It does have a hinge issue, but I think with a little bit of glue, that'll be no problem. I have no clue what this is worth. I would guess about 15 to 20 bucks. And the next single largest purchase of the day, I paid $150 for 15 pairs of gold-filled glasses. I picked out all the ones that were in good condition. Only 4 had the case, 11 did not. But for $10 a pair, I sell these for anywhere from $25 to $30. Some of these are really cool, and I'll get a little more. But the cheapest I'll go on these is $24.99, so that's a good score. And the last item I got, I was really happy to find another one of. Again, it's a Polaroid SX70 with a carrying case, all the papers. As you can see right here, he wanted 28 bucks for it. I ended up offering him 25. Probably could have got it for a little cheaper, but I was a little excited. So, and again, it's in excellent condition. This one's actually in even better condition than the one I paid 50 bucks for. And again, it's the original. So with the kit, all the paperwork, I'll sell this one for $129.99. So like I mentioned earlier, if I could go back, which obviously we can't, I would sell. I have a lot of good stuff I've been saving up for this show. I just didn't get around to it. But I'm still happy that I went. I'm still happy I went. I made the 2-hour drive. I'm happy with what I found. I honestly think I can double to triple what I spent. We'll see with the tally. But yeah, I had a fun time. The weather was beautiful, and it was nice getting out and doing a little picking. So I hope you're out there picking. Hope you had a great Black Friday. Hope you had even a better Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.